Hello everyone, welcome back. Well, today I am going to show you guys how we decorated our mantle, and this time it's a little bit different than last year. I decided to make a woodland theme. If you're interested, just keep watching.
Baby, it's cold outside.
I've got to go away.
Baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has been
hoping that you
so
drop in.
Very nice.
I'll hold your hands, they're just like
My mother
ice.
will start to worry.
Beautiful, what's your hurry?
My father will be pacing the floor.
Listen to the fireplace
So
roar.
really I'd better scurry.
Beautiful, please don't hurry.
Well, maybe just a half a drink more.
Put some music on while I
The
pour.
neighbors might think,
Baby, it's bad out there.
say, what's in this drink?
No cabs to be had out there.
I wish I knew how.
Your eyes are like starlight
to
now.
break this spell.
I'll take your hat, your hair looks
I
swell.
want to say no, no, no,
Mind if I move in closer?
At least I'm gonna say that I tried.
What's the sense in hurting my
I
pride?
really can't stay.
Baby, don't hold out. But it's cold